Howdy, John Giffin here with State Roofing Company out of Houston, Texas. We also cover the College Station Bryan market too and everything in between. I want to talk to you about your insurance premium. Premiums are going up every day because insurance companies are increasing the value of your house. Even though you may not be able to sell your house for what they have it insured for, that's what they believe that it takes to replace your house if it burns down or a tornado comes along and blows it off the slab. You need to look into these things and watch how they're doing this. I was with one insurance carrier and they had my house up to $3.2 million in value, which there was no way I could sell my house for that. So I changed insurance carriers and got to the amount I wanted to insure my property for. Sometimes your insurance companies are doing things that are totally out of your hands and you can't control, but you can't always look for a new carrier. I've always said I like people staying with a carrier and building a relationship. But with the way the market's going, times have changed, and you might need to start shopping your insurance every year. Hate to say that. I've always thought that being in a relationship with your insurance carrier, your agent, was a good thing and would help you out when it came time that you had to file a claim. Most insurance companies, they don't want you to file a claim. They want you to pay your premium, be quiet, and go on down the road. But times have changed. Everybody thinks that just because you have a little water leak, you need to file a claim. Some of this has gotten out of control. Be careful when you do file a claim. Make sure you have a contractor on hand to help you walk you through the claims process. If you need any help with that, call John Giffin, State Roofing Company, 281-293-7000. Thank you.